Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Chidera. Thank you guys so much for all your love, your support. Thank you so much. And please, if you're coming across my video for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, okay? Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment. Alright, so guys, today I'll be making peppered rice. We're making peppered rice today, so my pot is still on fire. I want the water to dry up so that I can add my oil. So guys, I've added in my oil now, waiting for it to heat up. Then I'll saute my onion. So guys, I'm going ahead now to add my onion. I'll allow this onion to saute and we'll come back. So guys, I'll go ahead now to add in my pepper means this is just my pepper, my red chili pepper, tatashi, ginger and garlic all blended together. I didn't add tomatoes to this sauce. So I'll allow it to fry, then I'll come back. Hi guys, so our pepper mix has been boiling since, and I added onions to this pepper mix too. Maybe I didn't make sure. I'll go ahead to add in my curry now, my curry powder. And my seasoning cube, I'll add in my seasoning cube. My hands are already washed. So guys, I've added in my salt, my seasoning cube, my curry powder, and my beef. I have fried beef at home, so I added it in. Please guys, make sure you wash your tatasha, remove the seeds. Don't blend it together with the seeds. If not, you end up with a bitter food. Very, very bitter. So guys, I'll add in my crayfish now. I'll stir this and then bring in my rice. This is my washed and parboiled rice. I'll add water to this rice now. I'll allow it to cook now, then I'll come back later to check on the rice. Guys, let's check on our rice. So it's still boiling, as you can see. I'll cover it and come back later. Let's check on our rice now. Our rice is ready, guys. I'll go ahead to off my heat. done this twice. Thank you so much guys for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. If you are watching me up to now, that means you're enjoying this video. Please subscribe, okay? Subscription is free. Like, comment, like this video. Help me to like this video, help me to comment on this video, okay? So that come your way next time. Bye.